How to log in PUBG. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to log in on PUBG. Logging in on PUBG is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open PUBG Mobile. Launch the game by tapping the PUBG Mobile icon on your home screen. Choose the login method which you use to create account with. Guest. If you want to play without creating an account, you can select the guest option, but your progress will not be saved if you switch devices. Facebook. Log in using your Facebook account by tapping on the Facebook login option and entering your Facebook credential. Google Play. Select the Google Play option and choose the Google account you want to use to log in. Twitter. You can also log in using your Twitter account. Start playing. After logging in, your profile and progress will load and you can start playing. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can log in on PUBG. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.